What are you looking at, buddy? Ooh. Good boy. All right, you guys, I am back bringing you another video, and today I am very excited because we got new tires. They are going on the Civic, and I'm very excited. These look sick. So as you can see, I got the Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02s, and where's the size here? There we go. I got them in a 245/40 18 size. So it's the exact same size that is on my car currently. And lucky me, because I work at a tire shop, I'm gonna mount them and install them myself. So I'm just gonna go to work and get her done. So let's load up the car and get ready to go. Well, in case you guys are wondering, you can fit all 4 of these size tires in the back of the Civic. So that's neat. All right, you guys, here we are. I'm doing a bit of a different style video today. I'm gonna be doing this voiceover and explaining how to mount and dismount a tire for you guys, for all of you that don't know how to do it. So as you can see, we got our fresh new Continental ready to go on. They're looking good. First step is obviously take the wheel off the car. Then you're going to remove the valve cap, and you're going to use this fancy dancy tool called a valve core remover to remove the valve core. Once you remove that, you'll see the air, well, you'll hear the air stuff coming out, and then you wait for the tire to deflate. Alright, once you got that tire nice and deflated, you're going to line up the wheel and tire with this bead breaker shovel. You're going to see it's going to move in, and it's actually going to push the tire off the wheel, just like that. It'll dismount the bead. Once you do the front, you're going to want to turn this thing around, as I do slowly. Oh, what the hell am I doing? Okay, there we go. And then you're going to do the same thing on the back, and you're going to go all the way around the whole tire. Bam, just like that. Alright, once you have the tire dismounted, you're going to put it up on the tire changer here. So you're going to want to line that hook up over to the top, on the top of the lip of that wheel there. You'll see when I clamp it here, it needs to sit just like that. And you got to make sure all 4 hooks are clamped properly. Once all 4 hooks are clamped in, you're good to start dismounting. So I didn't show that very well, but you basically put the bar in there and pull it over that plastic duck head on the back and spin. And it's pretty simple. And then here's how you're going to want to do it on the bottom. You're going to put the same thing in and pull up just like I was. Once you spin it, the tire's good to come off. And I guess I'm struggling here. But yeah, you're going to get everything out your way, and the tire is good to come right off. Just like that. Once you're ready to put your new tire on, you're going to take this fancy dancy lube here. Going to get it nice and saturated, and then you're going to lube up the whole outside bead of the tire. And you're going to want to do that with the front and the back side. You got it all lubed up. This is how you're going to line it up with the duck head. You want it over the back and under the front, just like this. Once you have it lined up properly, you're just going to spin the changer, and it'll sit down just like that. You have your bottom bead on. Now the tricky part is doing the top bead. So what you do here is you're going to line up these 2 little, I guess, arms, and you're going to push down, and the hydraulics will push the tire down. And from here, all you're supposed to do is spin. And sometimes it's easy, like this one is real easy. Other times it'll be a lot more difficult. There you go, tire is mounted. Once the tire's nice and mounted, you're going to throw some air in it until the beads pop. You're going to want to make sure that both the front and back beads are popped. Otherwise, you will run into issues. Ask me how I know. So then we're going to head over to the balancer. You're going to find the right cone that fits properly. You'll see this one sits nice and flush in there, just like that. Once you find the right cone, you are good to go ahead and throw it on the balancer. So I'm about to do that here. Once you get out on the balancer, you're going to want to make sure it spins good. Make sure you got it clamped properly. If it's clamped properly, you can go ahead and start the balancing process. The balancing process is pretty simple. You're going to spin it, it'll ask you for weight, and then it'll show you where you need to put that weight with that little laser light there. So I'm going to go ahead and add that weight right to that laser that I pointed out. Just like that. And then, once you have the weight on there, you're going to go ahead and spin it again. There you go. Once it balances out, you are good to take it off the balancer and put it back on the vehicle. Good morning. It's been a couple days since I threw the tires on, and I just wanted to kind of wrap up and tell you guys how I've been feeling about them so far. So the tires have been on for, this is day 4 now, I think, day 3, day 4. I don't know. They've been on for a couple days, and they've been great. I've had 0 complaints so far. Yeah, the day I put them on, it was actually a pretty big rainstorm, and they were great. They didn't hydroplane. They didn't do anything even close to that. I mean, they were real grippy. And in the dry, they're extremely, extremely grippy. You can hear them throwing rocks and crap everywhere. They've been awesome, and they're pretty comfy, too. They're smooth. They don't ride like crap like I kind of thought they would. And I think they look really good. They kind of, I don't know how to describe it, but they kind of look bigger. Like the sidewall looks a little bit meatier. They look good. I really, really like them. All right, thank you guys for watching this short little video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out, and have a great rest of your day.